All right, for this assignment 4.8 Conditionals Make, you guys are going to have a project. Obviously working with conditionals. You guys had a lot of practice with that in the past week. What I want you to do is open up code.org, go to 4.8, number 2, and you guys should be on the number 2. What I want you guys to do is just click run and play around with this. You can change the day, you can change the user's age, just to see if they can get in the ticket or get a ticket to go in the museum. Once you click create my button, it should tell you how much it is, what your age is, or what day it is, what your age is, and how much it should cost you. If you guys read right here, it says make a ticket, see how much it costs. Make it for Monday through Friday or someone 18 or younger, how much does it cost? And then the last one is try free Friday on a Friday. So try to change this to Friday and type in free Friday in all caps, and it should be free, okay? You guys need to think about this on your worksheet. We did these 3 things right here. It says, what variables would you need for this program? Well, variables you probably need, let's look at it. You probably need day, age, and discount code. Okay, so you guys need to type those in there. And then where does this app use conditional statements, like if statements? If you guys were to think about it, you'd need an if statement to decide how much the price is going to cost. Okay, so that's what you need to write. You need to write the if statement includes the age, and the age, the day, and if they have a discount code to decide the price for the user. For the next part, just planning step, write down your 3 variables, and then tell what they store. Make sure that's in red ink. Once you guys do that part, you guys are going to go down here. You're going to do this first. You need to draw a flow chart. You're not going to turn this part in, but this is for you to help plan. You need to draw a flow chart just like we used in the manipulatives last time. So you need to get on a piece of paper and say, if it's Monday and I'm 18 years old, then it's going to do this, okay? And you guys are going to be using the comparison operators and the logical operators that we learned about last week, okay? Make sure you draw it out or at least write it out so you guys can have some kind of understanding. But these are your rules for see who can get in and win. On the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, everyone pays the full price of $10. On the weekdays, Monday through Friday, if you're 18 or younger, you only pay $5. And if you use the discount code Free Friday on a Friday, you get in for free. So once you guys make that, kind of check the age and day and see if the price comes out right, okay? Once you guys are ready to code, you guys are going to go to number 3 on lesson 8 to code. The first thing it does is it gives you some hints, and it gives you an event handler already. But you guys are going to start by creating your variables. Okay. After you do that, make sure you read these. This kind of tells you some hints on how to write your code, how to code it. But after you do that, then you guys are going to need to update the variables inside the event handler. So basically it's when the user picks this and this, they click this button, it needs to update them. So the way you update them is you go get whatever the user put in here, okay? And then you're going to make your conditional statement that basically says if it's Monday and this age is this, and then what, okay? So it's not that hard if you guys will just think about it. The way you guys could do some of this is like this. You could say if it's, and you can type this stuff in if you can type it all, or you can go to the math, pull out the math. But if it's Monday, let's see why it's not typing. Monday, or actually we'll say if my variable day is equal to Monday, and age, I haven't created these, but day and age are 2 of your variables. Age is less than or equal to 18. Let's see if you'll type it in, it'll do it for you. Then, and you need to probably create a 3rd variable or 4th variable called price. Then my price is $5, okay? And instead of just doing one of these for Monday, you can do Tuesday, Wednesday. You can do Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. Okay, and that's how you do this. Okay, and then at the very end, you got to make sure that you get the text to show on the screen. And when it says create the ticket, that means you basically are going to create one more variable. Okay, you're going to create one more variable that says, this is called the ticket output. We'll just call it ticket text. And we'll set the ticket text to show concatenation. When you concatenate, you put the plus signs. And when you put them in, you want to put them in the last part. There'll be 6 things because you're going to use your print line statements. These are all things we learned about this unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got one too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what I do is, actually I think I did that backwards. What I do, put them in the front part of it, yeah. Put them in all the front parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what I do there is, I'd make me a string, go age, space, plus the actual age. Okay? So that would be the word age with a colon right next to the actual variable, one you create up here. And then if you need a /n, and that needs to be in a string. So /n, that's how I put my next one. Then I wouldn't have to close it. I could just write day, and I did that out of order. And then I can write day. I basically did this part for you. And the last one you probably need is your price. Okay, because if you go back and look on number 2, it tells you exactly what should be shown in there. I gave you a lot of this and helped you out with a lot of it. You guys got to do the thinking for this. Okay, I'm going to give you guys today, tomorrow, and possibly Friday. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. But make sure that when you turn it in, you turn in 2 things. You turn in the link right here. That's how I turn in a link. And I also will turn in my worksheet.